What is democracy? The best definition of democracy, as given by great Abraham Lincoln, is a government which is of the people, by the people, and for the people. Which means you and I, we, the people, are the most important part of this democracy. And the most beautiful essence of democracy is disagreement. Dissent is the backbone of democracy. तो इस डेमोक्रेटिक देश में आप हम गवर्नमेंट से हमारा जो अधिकार है वो मांग सकते हो, और गवर्नमेंट से, स्टेट हो या सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट हो, उससे उसका काम के लिए, उसकी पॉलिसी के लिए वी कैन आस्क क्वेश्चंस. इट इज आवर राइट एज गिवन बाय द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया, एंड वी कैन एंजॉय दिस राइट्स, दिस फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच एंड एक्सप्रेशन in different modes, like your writings, your literature, poetry, music, film, art, argument, your opinion in any form. लेकिन हम देखते हैं कि इस देश में अगर कोई भी, could be any common man, politician or a stand-up comedian or an influencer, कोई भी कुछ भी बोलता है तो इस देश में हल्ला हो जाता है. And we have also seen that FIRs are being lodged against them and they have been booked under law. तो बात यह है कि ऐसा क्यों होती है, और जब भी कोई हल्ला होती है, कोई भी कुछ बोलती है, उसके बाद that person also show this card of freedom of speech. कुछ बोलने के बाद हम यही बोलते हैं, ये हमारा अधिकार है, हम बोल सकते हैं. So my question is very simple to you. Can we say anything and everything in the name of fundamental right? Is freedom of speech and expression absolute as given in the Constitution without any limitation? यही हमको जानना होगा. क्या हम कुछ भी बोल सकती है, कुछ भी? We will discuss, and of course I will give you my arguments. So please, I request all of you to watch this video till the end. And before that, if you are new on this channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon. Now, if you see that the freedom of speech and expression as given under Indian Constitution, under Article 19(1)(a), that you have this right. You have this right. Of course, you have this right. And his right is broadly articulated and explained by the Supreme Court of India in different time and different issues. मगर हम जब भी बोलते हैं कि भाई हम तो कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं, हम ये बोल सकते हैं, वो बोल सकते हैं क्योंकि हमारा राइट है, then I would suggest you to please go back to the Constitution and see that जो आर्टिकल है, आर्टिकल 19 अधिकार देते हैं बोलने के लिए. At the same time, this article itself says that this right of freedom of speech is not absolute. It has limitations. It is subject to reasonable restrictions imposed by the law. तो इसका मतलब आप बोल तो सकते हैं, कुछ भी एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं, लेकिन कुछ ग्राउंड ऐसा है जिसको you cannot touch or you cannot break down, like the sovereignty and integrity of India, the security of the state, public order, morality, defamation, etc. So in the name of this right of freedom of speech, we cannot cross these limitations. So if anyone passes any defamatory comments against any religion, तो आपको ये नहीं लगता कि ये हमारा जो सेकुलरिज्म है उसका खिलाफ जाती है? And if you're trying to insult anybody in public in the name of your comedy, your art, or in your protest in any form, don't you think, is it not defamation? देखिए, हम किसी के खिलाफ बोल सकते हैं, गवर्नमेंट के खिलाफ बोल सकती है, और एनी इंडिविजुअल के खिलाफ भी बोल सकते हैं, लेकिन ये भी समझना पड़ेगा कि अगर आप डेलिबरेटली इंसल्ट कर रही है तो ये भी एक डिफेमेशन, क्योंकि जिसका बारे में हम बोलते हैं दैट पर्सन, ही और शी also has right to live with dignity under Article 21 as given and guaranteed by the Constitution of India. ये भी तो उसका अधिकार है, हम बोल नहीं सकते ऐसे कुछ भी. Because Article 21 is stronger than Article 19. जो right to live with dignity होता है, वो right to speech से बहुत ऊपर होता है. इसीलिए जब भी इमरजेंसी आता है, तब आर्टिकल 19 completely abolished हो जाता. That means under emergency you don't have the right to speech or express as you want to. But your right to live with dignity, Article 21, is never abolished under any emergency. क्योंकि देखिए, it is very much evident, not everyone, I'm not saying everyone, but many of us try to spread false narrative, hate speech, or their own personal propaganda through this freedom of speech and expression. ये सही नहीं है. अगर आप प्रोटेस्ट कर रही है, then you should be equal on everything. You are not. हम ये भी देखते हैं कि कुछ लोग they are very much selective because they are not equally vocal on every incident of the same nature. No, they are not. अगर आप सोचती है कि इस टॉपिक में हम बोलेंगे, इस कम्युनिटी के अगेंस्ट हम बोलेंगे, इस गवर्नमेंट के खिलाफ हम बोलेंगे, लेकिन यहाँ पर हम कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे, we'll just keep our mouth shut, then it is not the process to uphold this democratic thought of any nation. So don't you think that we are going down as a nation due to our ultra understanding of freedom of speech and expression? क्योंकि आप बोलिए, कुछ भी बोलिए, but your choice of words and your intention are the most important part. So whatever your opinion would be, please let me know in the comment box. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share with others. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.